Back, everybody. We've got a blitz of snow coming across the state right now with the Arctic boundary. 13 in Great Falls. We've dropped about 8 degrees in the last hour or so. North wind up to 30 miles per hour. Wind chill down to 6 below. Helena, still balmy, but boy, is that wind howling throughout the area. We've got some gusts up over 40 miles per hour. So we've got a couple of fronts here on the map. There's a stationary boundary separating the mild air, look at those numbers, into the 30s, from temperatures into the teens. And then the Arctic boundary is working its way southward, and it's going to take over that stationary front more or less. But behind that, that's where we're dropping. Cut Bank at 0, 5 in Havre and Glasgow. North Dakota already down below 0. And look at the wind. It's 0 in Cut Bank with a wind of 30 miles per hour. And wind chills in the area along the Rocky Mountain front well below 0. Some really nasty stuff north and east of the Glasgow area as well. Just once again, we've got the wind chill advisory northeast Montana, although at times this weekend wind chill advisories may be extended to include most of the state. There's a winter weather advisory for the High Line, really Interstate 15 east, for lighter snow amounts, and a winter storm warning for a lot of the heart of Montana here, as the combination of snow and wind and accumulation is just going to make for some really difficult weather to be out in, driving in as well. But there you can see the radar, and right here, this little stripe of snow moving through the Great Falls area, that's the Arctic front that is pushing through. I mean, it's snowing very hard in Geraldine. Guys are about ready to get some of that snow. Look at the snow on the Rocky Mountain front. A lot of big-time flakes around Augusta, some snow into Wolf Creek Canyon. Helena, got another couple hours before that Arctic boundary comes through. Some snow out through central Montana. Watch out, Lewistown, Stanford, over through about Hobson, Winifred about ready to get hit. And we've got some snow up around Fort Belknap and Malta heading over through the Saco area as well. Not as much snow, if much at all, into the far northeastern part of the state. And I'm showing the national radar here because a lot of the United States will be plunged into this deep Arctic air mass as well. It's not just Montana here, but for tonight, snow continuing, and in the next couple of hours, that Arctic boundary will push into the Helena area with some snow. Snow may be tapering off a little bit late this evening, but look at it picking back up again through Saturday. Saturday, a snowy day for most of central and western areas. Not so much snow up there around Glasgow. You'll just be cold. And then we'll have that snow kind of taper off again into Sunday morning before picking back up again for places like Helena, Lewistown, Great Falls, down through Bozeman, Livingston, Butte, and Dillon on Sunday. Snowfall amounts through tonight into tomorrow, about 1:30, let's just say a few inches here, but the accumulation will continue through Saturday night into Sunday. Here we are Sunday morning. The pink is 6 inches. The white is at least 3 inches of snow. The mountains west of Helena, again, could be more than a foot by the time we get into Sunday morning. And there you can see the snow forecast, and this takes into account the snow, 1 to 4 inches that we saw across a lot of the area already today. Totals from this 4-day snow event could be upwards of a foot in some areas, and some of the mountains have already picked up over a foot of snow. The forecast for tonight: dangerous on the roads, dangerous wind chills. These temperatures are very cold. Some of these numbers, the coldest we've seen so far this winter, already 20 below in northeast Montana. Helena, not quite so cold just yet. That really arrives for tomorrow night, but wave of low pressure creating areas of snow for tomorrow. Colder the farther northeast you get here in the state. Look at Missoula at 36. For Sunday, widespread snow once again, especially early on. Temperatures a little colder, highs mainly below 0. Into Monday, another round of snow, highs well below 0 again here on Monday east of the divide. And into Tuesday, we actually have another reinforcing Arctic boundary coming through that could kick off a little snow Tuesday night into Wednesday. Helena, 7-day forecast. Yeah, these are some scary numbers, and it will be a prolonged cold. We're not dipping down into 10 or 20 below at night for 1 or 2 nights. It's most of next week here with those low temperatures that cold. And for Great Falls, we may drop below 0 Saturday afternoon and stay there all the way until next Saturday.